So, yun guys, ang bilis. We just got home, tapos nagbihis kami, and then now we're on our way para manood ng movie. What movie are we gonna watch now?
A Promising Young Woman.
That's the title?
Correct.
Sure, Roy? Yeah, so anyway, we're gonna watch a movie kasi valid pa yung aking corona test. Kailangan kasi mag-lipstick muna ako eh. Ganda na ba? So yun. Kasi dito guys, you have to show your corona test within 72 hours. Valid siya para makapasok sa mga movies, ganyan. So, 5:22 na dito and my corona test is valid until 8 ng gabi. So, konting oras na lang. So, makakapasok pa kami sa sinihan and then afternoon wala na. Tapos bukas magpa-corona test na naman ako kasi I have to do it. It's a requirement for my job. At least once, dati talaga twice a week dapat magpa-corona test, pero ngayon they just said it's okay at least once a week. So gagawin ko yun bukas right after work. So yun, mainit today guys. Today.
I need to correct you.
Mainit today.
I need to correct you.
What correct?
It's not a requirement.
It is a requirement.
No, it's a recommendation.
No, it's not. It's a requirement. My manager said so.
Okay.
So yun.
A flower is a flower, it is just a flower, it's just another flower. It's not a moonlit night, it is not a skin-deep metaphor. Stop trying to search for meaning when you know that there is nothing there. There is no grand scheme, just let it be a flower. Life is just a life, it is just a life, it's just another life. And if you search for the meaning, there's nothing there, there's nothing anywhere. You're just another.
Hello guys, katatapos lang namin manood ng movie. Title ng movie guys, Promising Young Woman. Ano siya? Different siya na movie. Panoorin nyo kung may time kayo. Pero at the end, namatay yung bida na babae. Pero ano siya? Interesting. Pero hindi ko lang masyadong gusto kasi namatay siya at the end. But anyway, yeah. Parking muna ako dito. Ako lang mag-isa. It's because Martin is outside. He's picking up food kasi it's been a long day actually. But it's been a productive day. And yeah, work na ako tomorrow. And because it's actually really nice because 3 days akong nag-off. Saturday, it was a normal day off. Nag-day off talaga ako guys kasi I got invited to a birthday party. And then, that was Saturday. And then Sunday, Monday, which is today, Monday, holiday dito sa Denmark. So, yun. And right now, upo-upo na muna tayo. And it was really sunny, sunshine a while ago. It was too warm. That's why naka-dress ako guys. Pero right now, medyo gumiginaw-ginaw na. But you know, tingnan yung labas. Mailaw pa rin, diba? But it's actually almost 9 na ng gabi. And, yun. Pero maginaw na siya. It's starting to be cold again. But anyway, tomorrow yung work ko is 8 in the morning and off ng 4. And I actually really like that kind of schedule kasi when you're off at 4, that means you still have the rest of the afternoon and evening to actually do something. Kaysa schedule na, alam mo yun yung 9:45 till 7 in the evening kasi pag 7 wala ka na magagawa, uwi ka na lang, kain, tulog, ganyan. So yun guys.